Okay. We tried to run the discharges into the battery bank. It was running off the inverter, and what I can tell you is that my little amp meter here, which shows what I was drawing, was reading 0 when I turned it off. And when I would turn it on, it would fluctuate between 0.1 or up to 1 to 3 amps, and it would go negative almost the same amount. So it was having trouble averaging the amperage it was reading. So we know that there was some really short bursts of current going on. This thing started acting like crazy. I unhooked it and turned it off because the one power inverter started flickering at a constant 30 times per second pulse where it was tripping the overcurrent or the low current thing, so I don't want to blow it out. But it did look like it was doing something. So what I've done now I've taken, and this old shitty car battery here, this is even older than the other one I was running the room course off of. This one I could never get any voltage in the damn thing, so I'm kind of like conditioning it now. What we've got is right off of the, still can't turn this thing on, but right off of the two condensers in parallel, we are got to run straight to those jumper cables. Jumper cables are going, let me show you this real quick. The kilowatt meter is showing 40 watts, 124 volt amps, 4.34 amps, 0.08 power factor. 5 minutes runtime so far, 0 kilowatt hours. Okay, so here's the battery. I can get this out quite a bit, so it really starts disrupting. And what you'll notice is that when I turn these lights off, the more this disrupts, which essentially this is in parallel with this one too, but the more it disrupts over there, the more this bulb brightens too. So we're pulling current to charge this battery. That was an overcurrent here that fired. We're pulling it to charge this battery, and see. Weird. The arc fluctuations over there, which are just arcing the hairpin output into the battery, seem to be driving this, making this bulb light brighter because they're wringing back some energy. There's something to do with the ground diode there. Alright, let's see when I adjust it here. And go wider. Let me zoom out a little bit. Go wider. All gets brighter. It's really bright. Oh, went too far. Get it out as far as I can until it breaks up. Back this one out a little bit. Oops. Okay. It's a 100-watt bulb there. What is going on with that surging? Let's throw the amp meter or the oscilloscope back on for a second and see what we're looking at. Should be the same thing. I never mentioned that I'm actually taking my oscilloscope reading, and you can't see it, but the oscilloscope reading is coming right off the green wire from the ground going in the outlet. So with the battery charging, here's what we're seeing. It looks a little different. That's not what I want. Get back open. Now we're running out of time. So here we see battery disrupting. It's different looking. This is really interesting looking.